So now what you need to do in this question is, so this is logarithm of something, right? So can I say this is this entire part from here to here will be equal to log 3 and whatever is inside, I'm not writing, will be equal to 2 to the power 1. When I'm just talking about this entire thing, there was log 2 to the base, log this to the base 2, right? So I'm saying that this goes to the other side, this becomes 2 to the power 1. Can I say that? And then next step, can I say that this is gonna be 3 square would be equal to whatever is inside there. So this is 8 plus log 3, log 2, and then x square plus 4. Then what happens? Then 9 minus 8 becomes 1 again. So this becomes log 3, and this becomes log 2, and this becomes x square plus 4. Then again I will do this 3 to the power 1 will be equal to log x square plus 4 to the base 2. Then again next step again I say that x square plus 4 will be equal to 2 to the power 3. Then x square will be equal to 8 minus 4. So x square will be equal to 4. So x is going to be equal to 2. So back, so we started from 2, 2 to the power 1. We went here, then 3 to the power 2. Then 8 got subtracted, then 1. Then 3 to the power 1. Then 2 to the power 3. And then we got it.